Yeah, this is a display key from 7 series. It's a Pina 7, B7. You see the button is already broken. So the owner put a sticker. You see the button inside can see. And this button also not working. No response, you see. This one still can. But this one no more working. So we buy original car key. See? The casing. Yeah, with the new battery. Yeah, this is a new battery. See, this is the old battery. Okay. Remove the battery. Then we will remove this screw. Then take out the chip. Remove these two connector. Okay, then this chip is coming out by this way. Okay, then we will use back the display. Remove these screws. Take out this. Okay. So now we will open up this guy. This is the original one. You can see here. Still got spring feeling, right? Okay. The sign, you see? The charging cover and the button cover, all nice. It's a brand new one. Original one. Okay, then we will mount everything. Okay, these things will go. This one no need. This one no need. Battery also no need. Okay, this casing all gone. So we will install this piece into here, and this one go inside. Then the job is done. Replace a new battery. I'm going to install this display over here. So we can see, yeah, see, the display is nicely fit. 然后呢，这边还有一片这个，对的，这块 battery 是要装回去的，我看看是怎么装的，好像是这样的。对，好，进去了。OK。然后这个板子上去，对，可以。怎么感觉？不能够下去 ，OK， 下去了。对，把灯可以，这个也可以把它收起来，对吧？这边 flush， 这边弄好，好，好，这样装好。装好以后呢，把它这个卡住，这里2条，然后呢，我们就可以把这个螺丝给上好。成像出来才会感觉到的。好，卡紧，卡紧好以后，新的电池把它装进去。可以装进去，我们开机看一看，好，亮了。触摸屏看看能不能用，好，可以啊，也可以退出，可以的。那这个时候呢，我们就把它关上了要。那它这边有一个头，这边有个头要卡到这个洞洞里面去， 所以卡对洞就好了。如果这个洞没有卡对的话，它就进不去。喏，对了，啪啪啪 ，OK perfect。然后这个把灯可以，这个把灯可以叭叭哒哒哒哒哒哒 ，too far away from vehicle， 因为现在车不在我们店里面，搞定了。OK， 谢谢。